You're telling me I can have the professional corporate career with the salary to boot and work in the comfort of my own home in my underwear? Yeah, right. Guys, did you hear this? This is bonkers. I'm out of here. See ya. Oh, man. That's ludicrous. Okay, I'm listening. Tell me. In this video, we'll answer the questions: what do accountants do, how much do they make, and what are the first steps to starting an accounting business from home? If you're interested in remote accounting jobs, then when the video is published, it'll pop up here. Now, where are you with your accounting career? You just looking, or have you already started, or are you quite experienced? We'd love to know in the comments below. It's Rowan here from loveworkathome.com, this website here, where we help you find work-life balance and freedom and all that sort of stuff by helping you make extra side income, find a work from home job, or start an online business and be your own boss, which is exactly what accounting can be for you. Now, what do accountants do? The job role of an accountant is not all about getting the abacus out and mind-numbingly sliding beans back and forth. Now, at a global level, accountants are really the backbone of a company. They know each and every financial detail of a company, and they're the ones in the driver's seat who can really predict whether a company is due for future growth or future failure. Now, at a micro level, that involves the creation of things like balance sheets and cash flow charts and tax filing and all that sort of stuff. But while the business owner is all about, taking action and making sales and doing the do and all that sort of stuff, it's the accountant that really knows what's going on under the bonnet. So given they're in quite a position of power, how much do accountants actually make? Well, there are obviously many factors that come into it: experience, location, all that sort of stuff, but we've got a few trusted sources. Let's have a look at them. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics says that the median pay for accountants and auditors in 2018 was over 70 grand per annum. Great money. Meanwhile, Indeed, let's flip over there, see a couple of different things. Note that based on various salary estimates, the average salary for an accountant was over $54,000, and for a CPA, it was, let me flick over there, $70,000 per annum. So they also, that back here it also said senior accountant was more like 72, and we also had a look up, what did I search for here? For senior CPA, I wanted to get an idea, and it came up with a whole bunch of different results. Everything from a tax associate starting at 60K, or the average of 60K, to a senior accounting manager for which was over $100,000. So as you can see there, for the various different options, there are some really good numbers and some really good salary earning potential. Also, this website, money.us.com, had a couple of interesting things about how much does an accountant make. The interesting thing that they really showed was that the salary outlook was just increasing from 2010 to 2016. So that's great news for anyone wanting to break into the industry. So what are the first steps to starting an accounting business from home? 1, upskilling, training, getting qualified in whichever field of accounting you want to start your own home business in. Number 2, getting some experience. Find a job and build up your experience. Remember, these can be remote work from home jobs. Number 3, breaking away and starting your own accounting business from home. They are the exact 3 steps that I undertook for my structural engineering business, and I work remotely from home, from co-working spaces, from libraries, from wherever, because my office is in my backpack and I love it. Now, that's obviously the very, very short form on how to become an accountant from home. In this video, we're not going to dive into the very technical aspects of getting staff and premises and legals and all that sort of stuff, because that's just way too much, and at this early stage, you don't need it. That being said, let's have a very quick look at qualifications and training. So in terms of dipping your toes in, if you really want to start by just getting a better understanding about the career path ahead, then we've got some recommendations for educational platforms that have loads and loads of courses. Let's have a look at them now. And remember, when you're selecting a course, try to find ones with a large number of positive reviews. So the first platform is edX. edX have a huge range of online accounting courses for beginners or more advanced students. Udemy, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, has over 300 courses with ratings and reviews, all of which have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Coursera, similar to Udemy, Coursera has a ton of courses that have a rating system showing the number of reviews, and you can also filter by various things like language and level and skills and partner educators and all that sort of stuff. and the Harvard Business School Online. So this is the Financial Accounting Fundamental course, which is an 8-week comprehensive accounting course with Harvard Business School Online. Now it'll help you learn the main accounting principles and concepts like business analytics, economics for managers, financial accounting. So you'll have confidence in this course learning from this guy who is a professor from obviously one of the world's most prestigious business school. Harvard, definitely has its name right up there in the world. Now, if you're not a toe dipper, but more of a jumping in head first, then here are some of the top universities to help you find professional accounting courses online to begin your career. First is Purdue. Sorry if I've pronounced that completely wrongly. University Global. Now they offer an online Bachelor in Science degree in accounting, which contributes toward the educational requirements to sit for the CPA and CMA exams. The next is Bellevue University. So undertaking this course will help equip you to enter professional accountancy, and prepare for the CPA exam. Now they also offer an optional accountancy internship, which sounds like a great way to gain experience after you've finished your studies. Next is University of Charleston, who say that this course is quote unquote especially attractive for majors in the 3-year program or those who wish to complete the 150 credit hour requirements for the CPA examination in a different way. Next is Auburn University. They have an online accounting program selector, which is pretty cool. So they've got their Bachelor of Science Accountancy. If you go down here, other online accounting programs, if you click on that, it should take you to this page, and that'll help you make sure you're choosing the right course. So it runs you through a bunch of questions. Now, there's also Washington State University, Northern State University, University of Massachusetts, University of South Dakota, Florida Atlantic. If you want that full list, then check out the blog, How to Become an Accountant and Work from Home, which I'll link in the description below. And I've got all these courses right down here somewhere. Yep, there they are. You can do a bit of further research, and we've also got those courses that I mentioned. Otherwise, you can Google them per the information that I've already given you. So, with that information, you should be able to either dip your toes in or plunge in head first and get your accountancy, business from home, work from home, love work at home. That's what we're all about. Started. Get the wheels turning. I sincerely hope you got something out of that. If so, please subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified about all the videos we have coming up in store. Have a fantastic day. And if you want to check out the video on accounting work from home jobs, that'll come up on one of these sides, I think this side. If you want to subscribe, then you hit that button there. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.